Alright, after a couple years of messing around with the item system on and off, I finally got it to a point where I'm happy with it. I've refactored the code probably 4 times, and I'm finally happy with where it's at. It's maintainable, editable, and I could add to it a lot easier now and understand it. So I wanted to make a video, show the progress of where I'm at with it. Right now I'm showing when you move the character, you can do mouse over on the items and it'll highlight them and show what they are. And torch, that's just using the Unity outline component. It works pretty good, so I'm happy with it. And then you got the containers there. So I'm happy with the way that all works. And of course, what's really cool, I like how when you run over items, they move like realistic. So I think that's kind of cool. So then I got the inventory screen. Oh no, I moved it to. I resized my resolution so it was off screen. But that's the inventory screen there. And I updated the graphics to. I used Kodiak. Had a pretty cool theme that I was able to use. I liked it a lot, so I'm using that right now for all the UI stuff here. This is just a placeholder. Doesn't really work yet. Same with the mini map. But basically with the inventory, when you walk over, you click an item, it'll pick it up. So that's all really cool. And then you can click an item to equip it. You can see the character take stuff off. Then you can put stuff back on. All that really works well. So he's got the sword and shield there. See what it looks like with that. And then you put I did a set of clothing for him too. All the items were made in Blender. So you put the hat on. He's already got the necklace on. Put the cape on. So that's what he looks like with his clothing. Just regular clothing. Looks like kind of like a pirate look. And of course you got the robe. Take that off. Put the belt on. So that's what he looks like with the robe. Like a magic user. That's all pretty cool. Then you could drag and drop items to new slots and they'll stay there. When you drag it to where something's already occupying the slot, it'll swap it. Then you could drag and drop to the toolbar, so you can do a quick equip. So that's all cool stuff. Put his armor back on. And drag the torch down here. You'll be able to see what the torch looks like when he carries that. He changes his stance, his idle stance with the torch, because you want him to hold it up high. So that looks pretty cool. I made the chest so they don't move. Then another big thing I added was the containers. I don't know if the sounds are playing. I got the headphones on, so I don't know if you could hear the sounds or not, but it plays a sound when you open and close it. And then these windows are movable also. So that's all pretty cool. And you could drag stuff from the containers over, drag stuff back, close that one, then open that one, and you got the take all button, which will take everything in the container. And then, so he's got the container open, he's close to it. When he gets too far away from it, it automatically closes. If he's too far away and he tries to open it, it says too far away to pick something up. I didn't enable the health potion yet, that when you click it he drinks it. That's probably the next thing I'm going to work on, is the skill system. But then another cool thing is when you drag and drop to the ground. Hold on, let's see if I can get this. So it stacks. It looks really cool when it stacks on top of each other. Looks like a dude standing there now. That's pretty cool. And you get all crazy and run into him and knock him over. But yeah, anyways, that's where I'm at now. I'm real happy with the theme, the UI graphics, the way everything is working together. It's looking pretty good. So that's where I'm at. I'm going to start working on the skill system now. See what I could put together on that. Thanks for watching.